These are the Royo cinnamon rolls. These are really good. These are a very low carb product here. Basically, if you look on the back of it, on the packaging, it shows you 120 calories, serving size is one whole cinnamon roll. And after you take out the allulose and the fiber, you're looking at 8 grams of net carbs. So basically, these are really tasty. This is what one looks like right here outside of the packaging. You could see it. This is a smaller plate here. It's just a really nice looking cinnamon roll. Basically, what you're going to do, you're going to put these in like a toaster oven or in the microwave. We just microwave it for about 15 seconds. That's what they recommend in the packaging. And just warms it up really nice. This has a really phenomenal taste. And what's really nice about it is just if you're following a low carb lifestyle, like we do in our house, this is something you could definitely add into the rotation. We initially found this brand through their bagels that they sell. The bagels are really good. We use I think it's like the hamburger buns also, but these are just phenomenal. Very happy with them. Each one of these packages come with 6 in here. You can see we got 2 left in here. They're each individually wrapped. So you could use these as grab and go. You could serve them on like a tray after you heat them up. You could put some warm butter on here, but if you're looking to keep the calories low, just suggest popping these in the microwave. Just has a really great taste to it. So definitely want to check this out. Royo cinnamon rolls. Like I said, we use these for we use this company for the bagels and things like that. They ship these right to you. Shipping is usually pretty quick. No problems with it at all. Highly recommend checking these out.